Today we'll show you how to fix your updating it's not working in your PC. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your like here, like this is a run. Okay guys, open only this here. This is a run. Open this and just put this services like MSCs. Okay, after this will be open just here. Now put it down to Windows updates. Okay, like Windows updates. Wait, where is it? Okay, it's here. So just now click with your right the mouse and just go now to property, and here just here like automatic debut different, or you can use like a manual. Okay, but it's the different, it's like automatic, or this it's here. Okay, after this just like apply and okay. After this will be starting to do the update. Okay, and now go to here and put like update. This is updates, and just click to this, and finally we now will be searching to the messenger and like updates, and will be downloading in your PC. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.